100 years. In 100 years, won't be any of us here. Not in China, all of Europe, not a soul, far near. But will we teach our children's children in our 100 years? I'm 62. My mistakes more than a few. Turn to God to find the truth and do all that I can do. To help create a loving world in my 100 years. Why do we pass along all the hurt and all our pain? Senseless seeds we create and then plant them in young brains. It's up to you what you will do with your 100 years. In 100 years, won't be any of us here. Not in China, all of Europe, not a soul, far near. But will we teach our children's children what kind of world will we leave our children's children in our 100 years?